Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the repository and a minimal YAML file so the pipeline has something to run. Create or pick a repo in Azure Repos or GitHub, then add Azure pipelines. YAML at the root with a basic trigger, pool, and one job. Once done, enable YAML pipelines and permissions in project settings so the pipeline can access the repo. Make sure to commit and push immediately so Azure DevOps can detect the YAML file and create the initial pipeline. You now define the core of the build, stages, jobs, and steps, and explain why each matters. Start with one stage and one job to confirm syntax, then expand into multiple jobs or deployment stages for parallelism. Use variables and variable groups to centralize configuration and protect secrets, and reference templates to avoid repetition. Make sure to specify the agent pool and task versions so builds are reproducible. Once you validate locally, push changes and run a test commit to observe the job execution. You finish by enabling CI and CD triggers, plus environment controls so deployments are safe. Add branch and PR triggers or scheduled runs, then set environment approvals and checks for production gates. Once configured, run a full commit to exercise build, test, and deploy stages. If the pipeline fails, check task logs, line numbers, and variable interpolation. Rerun with system. Debug equals true for verbose output. That single troubleshooting tip, enable debug logs, reveals substitution and step errors quickly, letting you fix the YAML fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.